Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best SharkVacMopPro is probably one of the most versatile cleaning solutions on the market, effortlessly tackling everything from stubborn pet hair and sticky spills to everyday dust and grime, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining a pristine home environment with minimal effort and maximum efficiency, ensuring you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your spotless living space. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Introducing the Pink Stuff, the miracle cleaning paste designed to tackle tough stains and grime effortlessly. It's your ultimate multi-purpose solution for a sparkling clean on various surfaces. This versatile paste is perfect for your kitchen and bathroom surfaces, tiles, glass, and stainless steel. It's your go-to cleaner for almost any household mess you encounter. It's tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces, effectively removing stubborn stains without scratching. You'll be left with spotless and shiny results every time. Using it is simple. Apply a small amount to a damp cloth, rub gently, and rinse away. It's ideal for all your everyday cleaning tasks. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent after every use. It leaves your home not only spotless but also smelling great with its delightful rhubarb fragrance. What we like? If you're looking for a powerful yet gentle cleaner, this is it. It effortlessly tackles tough stains on a variety of surfaces without causing damage. For those who want a spotless finish and a pleasant scent, this is your go-to solution. What people say. It has worked wonders in completely cleaning my bathroom tiles and grouts, transforming them from dull and stained to sparkling and pristine. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. I used the Pink Stuff to clean 3 all-white pairs of my road cycling cleats, plus another pair with neon accents, and the results were incredible. Number 4. SharkVacMop Multi-Surface Cleaner Refill 2L. Introducing the SharkVacMop Multi-Surface Cleaner Refill. This 2-liter bottle is designed to keep your home sparkling clean. It's formulated to work seamlessly with all SharkVacMop models, including the VM252 and VM180. This all-in-one cleaner quickly breaks up tough, stuck-on stains, leaving your floors disinfected. You can use it on all sealed finished floors, including stone, laminate, tile, hardwood, vinyl, marble, and linoleum. It dries fast without leaving any streaks, and leaves behind a refreshing spring clean scent. Plus, it's GreenGuard Gold certified, ensuring low chemical emissions for a healthier home environment. What we like? If you need a versatile cleaner for all sealed floors, this is an excellent choice. It breaks up stuck-on stains quickly and dries fast, leaving no streaks behind. Its low chemical emissions make it a healthier option for your home. What people say. My house smells great after a full mopping run. I use about 3 cap fills per clean water tank refill, and I've noticed cleaner floors with less streaking. There are not a lot of suds when you add the water, so you know that residue or stickiness won't be left behind on your floor. The formula sprays evenly and dries quickly without leaving streaks, even on darker floors. It has a light, clean scent, not overpowering, and it cuts through sticky spots better than I expected for a refill solution. Number 3. SharkVacMop Hardwood Cleaner Refill 2-liter Bottle. Introducing the SharkVacMop Hardwood Cleaner Refill. This 2-liter bottle is designed to keep your floors looking their best. It's specifically formulated to work with your SharkVacMop models VM252 and VM180, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. This powerful cleaner is perfect for all sealed finished floors, including wood, stone, laminate, and tiles. It effectively cleans and disinfects, leaving your surfaces spotless. Watch as it helps reveal the natural beauty of your wood floors. It's designed for use on all sealed wood surfaces, bringing out their inherent luster. Enjoy a quick drying time with no streaks left behind. It dries fast, ensuring a pristine finish every time you clean. Experience the invigorating citrus clean scent that leaves your home smelling fresh and pleasant after every use. Rest assured, this cleaner has achieved GreenGuard Gold certification for low chemical emissions, making it a healthier choice for your home. What we like? If you have sealed wood floors and want to bring out their natural beauty, consider this cleaner. It's specifically formulated to enhance wood finishes while cleaning effectively. For those who appreciate a fresh citrus scent and a streak-free shine on their wood floors, this is the perfect fit. What people say. My house smells great after a full mopping run. I use about 3 cap fills per clean water tank refill, and I've noticed cleaner floors with less streaking. Makes the floors shine without being slick. There are not a lot of suds when you add the water, so you know that residue or stickiness won't be left behind on your floor. I also smell nothing after the cleaning is done, so for sensitive noses like mine, that's a plus. It's nice to walk in the kitchen the next morning and see a nice clean floor after people were cooking and making messes. I had a lot of spots around my wood floors as well, probably from people dripping things walking through, and those are gone. This is cleaning tile in bathrooms and foyer, wood floors and slate-type tiles in the kitchen, so I don't have to change cleaners as the robot moves from room to room. Number 2. KEEPOW Reusable Mop Pads for SharkVacMop. These mop pads are designed to be compatible with a wide range of SharkVacMop models, ensuring a perfect fit for your cleaning needs. They are also designed to replace specific part numbers for seamless integration. Experience a superior clean with our upgraded dirt chamber, offering 20% more space to capture dirt and dust. The improved frame and secure Velcro ensure the pads stay in place, providing a more stable and effective cleaning experience. Crafted from durable ABS material, these pads are built to last. They are machine washable up to 100 times, making them a truly reusable and eco-friendly alternative to disposable options. Made from ultra-absorbent microfiber, these pads effectively grab and hold more dirt than paper alternatives. They are perfect for both dry and wet cleaning on all your hard floors. Whether it's dust, spills, pet messes, or mud, these pads are ideal for daily cleaning on various hard floor surfaces. They work wonders on stone, hardwood, vinyl, laminate, tile, and marble. This value pack includes multiple mop pad refills and filters, providing enough supply for up to 6 months. Stop wasting money on disposable pads and enjoy a cost-effective cleaning solution. What we like? If you're looking to save money and reduce waste, these reusable mop pads are ideal. They are designed to collect more dirt and can be machine washed many times. For eco-conscious consumers who want effective cleaning on all hard floors, this is a smart, long-term investment. What people say? Adds a great value to the mops, as now I don't have to buy disposable pads every month or week. I like the pads, I already wash them and they help up well, and even though they got extremely dirty from the dog area, cleaned up nicely. It's a very good product. I have not used it yet, but it looks very strong and capable of doing a very good job. It's not flimsy like the other kind that I usually get, and seems to be even better than the original pads that comes with the Shark mop. These are perfect replacement pads. They fit well, stay on, and wash totally. I do not put them in the dryer. Number 1. Tineco Floor Cleaning Solution 2L. Introducing Tineco's Floor Cleaning Solution, designed to tackle tough messes. This powerful formula makes cleaning everyday spills and grime effortless. You can use this solution on a variety of sealed hard floors. It's safe for hardwood, vinyl, tile, and laminate, ensuring a brilliant clean everywhere. Don't let dirt and grease linger. This cleaner is formulated to cut through tough grime and stubborn stains on your hard surfaces. Keep your home clean and safe. When used as directed, it's environmentally friendly and safe for use around children and pets. This concentrated formula is optimized for Tineco cordless wet-dry vacuum machines. Simply add it to your compatible Tineco device for a superior clean. It works seamlessly with a wide range of Tineco models, including the iFloor series and Floor 1 S3, S5, S6, S7, and S9 series. What we like? If you have a Tineco wet-dry vacuum and need an effective cleaning solution, this is it. Its concentrated formula tackles tough grime and sticky messes on sealed floors. For households with children and pets, its eco-friendly nature provides peace of mind. What people say? It works perfectly with my iFloor series and Floor 1 S3, leaving my floor sparkling clean without any streaks or residue. The formula is safe, smells fresh, and really helps tackle everyday dirt and spills. It leaves my floors looking clean and fresh without any sticky residue. The smell is light and pleasant, not overpowering. A little goes a long way, so the bottle lasts quite a while. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.